Hello Power Fam. Today we'll learn how to create a solid object using 3D printers. Step number 1. A design is made using Computer Aided Design Software or CAD. Next, the finalized drawing is imported into some special software that prepares it in a format that is understood by the 3D printer. The third step is the 3D printer is set up to allow the solid object to be made. Then, the solid object is built up layer by layer, often only 0.1 mm thick. This can take several hours depending on the thickness of the layer, the materials used, and the size of the final object. Last but not the least, before you get your 3D printed object, it is removed from the printer and is then prepared. For example, some use a jelly-like support that needs to be washed away by immersion in water. Some require the removal of excess plastic powder, and others require the cutting away of unused material. In many cases, the object has to be left to cure for a few hours. That's all for today, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can click on here, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.